Fuzzy means something which is not clear. Definition of fuzzy logic is a form of knowledge representation suitable for notions that cannot be defined precisely but which depends upon their contexts. So here in fuzzy logic we are talking about something which is not clear or blurred. So in traditional logic we are representing something true by 1 and false by 0. However, fuzzy logic we can have values anywhere between 0 to 1, and there can be infinite value on a scale of 0 to 1. So here you can say zero point 0.7 is true, but it is only partially true, while zero point 0.3 is false but only partially false. So it's kind of giving you more versatility. Okay, so let's say I have a traditional logic that would be 0 would be something slow, and fast will be 1 if I am evaluating something on the basis of speed. Here, if I'm applying fuzzy logic to that scenario, that would be okay. Something between 0 to 0.25, that is slow. 2.25 to 0.5, okay, we can call this as the previous one is slowest, so let's call this as slow. Fast would be 0.50 to 0.75, and fastest is from 0.75 to 1. So here is the representation from slowest, slow, fast, and fastest. Here, another logic would be in tradition logic. Let's say if you are using a tap water, so you have only two options: hot water and cold water, and so that can be represented by a traditional logic. However, when you have a gradient from hot to cold, for example lukewarm, which is neither cold or hot, very hot, warm water, slightly warm, normal, kind of cold, and then very cold, something like this, so then you can say, okay, now I deployed fuzzy logic in my problem. And the introduction of this fuzzy logic or fuzzy set theory, developing, the reason behind developing is that is to deal with the concept of partial truth values ranging from absolute true to absolutely false. So fuzzy set theory has become more prominent or useful tool for handling imprecision, and in addition to that it's giving you robustness and low cost solution for real world problems. So it has been deployed in different control systems, kitchen appliances, car control system, decision making, business model, project selections, among others. The first fuzzy AHP method was proposed in 1983 using the triangular fuzzy numbers in the pairwise um, comparison matrix. Later, many other methods were proposed using various types of fuzzy numbers, such as trapezoidal membership function, bell shape, Gaussian membership function, among others. And to date, fuzzy HP has been applied in the areas of selection and evaluating, with a significant amount of literature on combining FAHP with other tools, in particular with the quality function deployment, analytical network process, Delphi methods, among others. Um, for example, you can say that uh, AHP or fuzzy HP has been deployed in modeling the risk attitude, such as like risk tolerance in the risk framework. Uh, and in 2007, it was used for risk analysis purposes, regarding the decision maker's attitude and preferences by incorporating the aggregation method of exponential ordered weighted averaging. In addition, it has been used in risk analysis of wind energy investments in Turkey. Um, Fuzzy AHP was applied in 2013, and that was basically strategic planning optimization in for the fruit industry. In 2011, a model based decision support tool using fuzzy optimization for climate change and you can say that the fuzzy method was deployed to obtain or it was used for linear optimization in 2004, also in 2007 and 2012. So here we can see that this fuzzy AHP has been deployed in the engineering areas in various fields and various applications of risk analysis and optimization, and in addition they were combined with the uh, or integrated with other methodologies. So it could be a very good graduate product project for students if they want to develop a multi-criteria multi-objective optimization model of a fuzzy nature in order to perform risk analysis or specifically use it for multi-objective optimization. Uh, Here, the concept of fuzzy in addition with AHP, it's important in that particular area. Okay, dear student, this is it for today. Thank you. Take care.